Hi guys, so today I will be starting a course on graph theory. Well, when I take the term graph, you might be thinking of graph programming and all. You are well versed with the terms DFS, and even if you Google the term graph programming, you will definitely get some results like these: primes, cruscal, right? Well, I'm not going to discuss about these things. There will be a separate video, there will be a separate course on graph programming from my side. But in this course, we will be discussing about graph theory, the theory of graphs, basically the mathematics behind the graph. So this course is particularly for the students who are working in the core level in computer science engineering department with graphs. It's also will be very helpful for people, the students who are appearing for competitive exams like GATE and all. So I hope this course will be helpful to all of you. Thank you. See you in the course videos.